Hamlet. Isn't that beautiful?
Walking in a winter wonderland.
Exquisite. Just exquisite. Makes me wish I hadn't released the hounds.
Did I call a monster?
No, it's their Christmas too.
Nice Christmas, nice Christmas, nice Christmas, non-Christian friend.
It's even worse than I'm dreaming of a whitefish Christmas.
Well, this, I tied my bathrobe.
Let's hear those sleigh bells jingling.
Cease and desist. You are forbidden to perform that song without paying royalties to the copyright owner.
Nobody owns Christmas carols. They belong to everyone, like grapes at the grocery store.
Not true, but you are welcome to sing the many beloved public domain carols such as O Tannenbaum.